Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to discuss how to change the case of words. Like now you can see that on the screen there are the lowercase letters. If we have to convert it to uppercase or the camel case, what we have to do? We have to do a simple apply a simple function like that. Click in front of that column. Click and right. Double click on it. Press equal. Now, if we wanna put it, if we want to change the case, like one to do uppercase, we have to write upper U double P E R. You can see that upper. Press tab upper. Now click on the first column. We want to change the case. Now press enter. You can say that. You can see that all of the letters are now in uppercase. Now we have to drag that corner or double click on that corner. It will change all the letters, all of the column uppercase to the uppercase. If we have to do it on lowercase, what we have to do is write equal lower LOWR tab. We have to press this one, select this one and press enter. So you can see that all of the letters are converted to the lowercase. Drag it or double click on that corner. All of the letters are now in lowercase. If we have to use the camel case like each starting word be capital, the rest of them would be smaller. What we have to do is click, press equal, proper. You have to use the function proper. R O R. Select that function and select that column. We want to apply the proper function. Press enter. You can see that E is small here. Now E will be capital. What about A? Capital A, N, capital N. This is called camel case. This is how we can change the case of words. All of the all of this is now in uppercase, lowercase, and the proper case like camel case. Thank you.